Are you looking for a lightweight version of Windows 11 that puts privacy first while removing many of Microsoft's built-in apps and services? Then today's video is for you. Welcome back to Tech for Boost. In this video, we're reviewing Stealth11, a custom Windows 11 Pro to 5H to build created by Xpower 7.1-5. Stealth11 is designed for users who want a cleaner, faster, and more privacy-focused Windows experience, and like some ultra-minimal Windows builds. This version keeps a balance between performance and usability while still removing a large number of unnecessary Windows components. One of the biggest highlights of Stealth11 is its strong focus on privacy. Many Microsoft services, pre-installed apps, telemetry components, Windows Copilot, Microsoft Edge, Widgets, OneDrive, Xbox apps, Windows Search, Windows Defender, and many other optional features have been removed to create a cleaner operating system with fewer background processes. If you enjoy Windows Lite reviews, custom operating systems, and Windows optimization content, consider subscribing to Tech for Boost. Now, let's install Stealth11 and see what this privacy-focused Windows 11 build has to offer. If you'd like to try Stealth11 yourself, downloading it is quick and easy. First, open the TMUS download link available in the pinned comment or in the video description. Once you're on the TMUS page, scroll down until you find the direct download section. Next, complete the I'm not a robot verification. After the verification is complete, simply click the download button to start downloading the ISO file. If you prefer, you can also use the direct ISO download link provided in the video description for a faster download. All download links are available below this video.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to bronze. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you want. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, shoot. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze. too far.